New year, new lights. This is my second box of lights that I've purchased this year. This is my first from Tru-tone. The other one was from Christmas Designers, but these are the light bulbs that I put on my house. So this year we're just going to do green and blue and teal around the top. So I picked up some more green and blue and teal. So there's nothing too special about these. I just had to get some more colors. And so we're gonna do, it always looks cool when you open it up. We're going to just check them out, make sure that everything is still good. So there's the teal, which I really like this teal. As you can see, it has the Tru-tone on the bulb, the, I guess, brass bottoms, but I really like these. If you've watched my channel, you know I have a lot of them. Looks like they're all in good shape. So there's one teal, I think there's 6 teal, more teal, looks good. And of course, I did get a sticker. So they're always putting stickers in these. It's pretty cool. Got a nice collection of stickers. Even have one on my car. Check them out. This box was a little bit beat up, but they all look like they're in good shape. More teal, looks good. So I have 6 teal. So my plan is to do green, green, and then a teal, and then blue, blue around the top of my house. And then the bottom of the house is going to be all teal, just kind of around everything. Those look good. And then on the bottoms, more teal. Here's the blue. I had to pick up some more blue just because I wasn't sure exactly how many I had. And I really like the blue. They've kind of changed, I think, not every year, but trying to get the best blue that they can. So I'm not too picky about that. I know some people really care. And then I did buy some of the jeweltone blue, and these are my favorite, the blue you can see through. So we have the classicolor blue right here, and then we have the jeweltone blue right here, which I know these have, I believe, changed a little bit over time. Maybe it's these blues that have changed. But I've purchased another box of these because the first box that I had did fade a little bit, so I've got a few of them that I need to kind of replace. Just helps them get dark a little bit. So that's kind of why I purchased some more of these. So that one's got a mark, but that's just, looks like it's alright. You pay a lot of money for these, so you gotta be a little bit picky. I don't have a problem with being picky on something that costs as much as these do, but I do like supporting that they're a small company, so that's really cool. And then I did buy 4 boxes of green C7 bulbs, because these are gonna go on the bushes on the front of my house. So these are also the jeweltone, which I really like. Interesting. The little jeweltone logo is a little bit lower on this one. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not on my GoPro. So that's what I've added this year. Just light bulbs. So I've got C9 blue, teal, and then here's another blue. And then I have C7 green. Looks like everything's in good shape. So in the next couple weeks, we're gonna start putting all these on the house, which is always really exciting. So it's gonna be a little bit of a, I guess, darker theme this year with the green and the blue together. So that's gonna be really cool. Just trying to do something different every year. But here's this year's purchase of Tru-tone. So we'll see you in the next video, and we'll get started setting all these up.